In this video, we will check how you can connect the BLK3D device to the VLAN network, as well as how you can get all the latest updates for this device. So as you would do in any Android phone, you just go to the settings of the VLAN and connect to your preferred VLAN network. Once you're connected, the device itself will check for any available updates and it will be recommending to you straight away. So all you need to do is just confirm the update and install it, and the device will be ready. Another update can show up is also for the app itself. So again, if you're connected to the internet and you turn on the app will automatically check if there's any updates, and if it's available, it will recommend it to you as well. So make sure your app and the device is up to date, because this will really allow you to have the highest accuracy and the most stable device. One more thing, all the updates are free of charge for the BLK3D, so you don't need to have any extra subscriptions or any other requirements. Now you're ready to start using the BLK3D.